People spend money on gifts, some sweet, some absolutely weird. But here's the thing, you can actually make money selling those weird gifts online, and not just for anniversaries or romantic occasions either. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the weirdest, funniest, and even most unexpected ways that you can make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, stick around because these ideas might just surprise you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Boss from Home, and over here we love to talk about work from home, remote opportunities. On Fridays, we like to talk about side hustles and ways that you can make money online on your own terms, setting your own schedule. And in today's digital world, having your own online business is more important than ever before. The internet has made it so much easier than ever to start and also scale a business without the need for any type of physical storefronts or large upfront investment. So with online platforms and tools like Printify, anyone with an idea can actually create a product, market it, and make sales from the comfort of their own home. So this means that you have the freedom to set your own schedule, you can work from anywhere, and also tap into a global market, something that traditional brick and mortar businesses simply can't offer. Also, owning an online business gives you the ability to diversify your income streams. So whether you're looking to maybe supplement your current income with a side hustle or even turn your passion into a full-time venture, online businesses offer endless possibilities for growth. And with the rise of e-commerce, social media, and also influencer marketing, now is the best time to take advantage of the different opportunities that come with owning an online business. Plus, with platforms like Printify handling all of the fulfillment, you can simply focus on creativity and strategy, leaving the logistics to the experts. It's a great way to build financial independence while doing something that you love. Okay, so let's get into the weirdness. So let's show some of the weirdest ways that you can make money online and some weird side hustles that you can start with the help of print-on-demand service Printify. So first up, let's talk about something that is always a hit for couples. And this is personalized boxer shorts. So picture this, that you have a pair of boxers and you slap a hilarious design on them, maybe a custom message that says like property of X, Y, and Z, or a picture of someone's face all over them. It's kind of weird. It's funny, and people actually love to buy these as gifts for their significant others. And the best part is that you don't need to touch any of this inventory. With Printify, you just upload a design, list it in your store, and then they handle everything from printing all the way to shipping. It's a perfect way to cash in on the romance gift market. So here's an example of a shop that is crushing it with this theme, and this is Sparkle Rose Apparel. She sells a lot of these customizable boxer shorts, like the ones that I've talked about, where you just put, property of X, Y, and Z, and maybe put your picture all over the boxer shorts. She is crushing it. So for the past 12 months, she has gained over 800 sales, and her revenue has been $14,538. Not bad. And when I see the amount that she made over the time period of her entire shop, which has been up for a few years now, she has made almost $40,000 simply selling this one product. And this is not the only product that she has in her store. She has few other products just like this one, where people can customize these boxers to their liking and really have variety within their shopping experience. So I think that this is a great great space to kind of join, because people love customizable products. This is a great gift for just about anyone. Great holiday gift, Valentine's gift, year-round gift, really and truly. All right, so next up, let's talk about emotional support gifts. Weird, but people love funny, relatable merch, like for example, emotional support hoodie or certified overthinker tote bags. So these are kinds of different products that tap into humor and also mental health trends, and this makes them super shareable and easy to sell to different people. So this shop, Miranda Designs USA shop, has an example of what I just mentioned, professional overthinker hoodie. I think customers like this product because it is a simple and clean design, and it's a cool way to express yourself on a t-shirt. So within these last 12 months, she has made over $3,000, 64 sales, which is on an upward trend for her store. And because of the fact that these hoodies have such great quality, she is able to price it up. So more than likely she is making a profit at the end of the day selling these hoodies. And she's maintained 5.0 reviews on Etsy, which always helps customers to keep coming back and attract new customers. So you would be shocked at how well food puns sell online. So think, mugs that say "you're the butter to my bread," or a t-shirt that says "I love you a latte." People love these funny, cute gifts that are related to food. They're always a hit online, especially for couples, best friends, or even just fun gifting. All right, so if there's one thing that the internet cannot get enough of, and one thing that always puts me in a good mood after a long day, it's a good meme. You can turn viral trends into funny t-shirts, mugs, or stickers. You just have to make sure that you're using original designs and, of course, not copyrighted content. So imagine having a shirt that says, this meeting could have been an email, because we all know someone who that shirt could be great for, right? So here is an Etsy shop that has these funny, cute little sayings on their t-shirts. This one here caught my eye, "Silly Goose on the Loose." I like that. It looks really simple, but yet playful and funny. This is the B Bows Boutique, and this shop provides so many different color options for their customers, which is a great thing because not everyone wants a white tee, not everyone wants a black tee, so they give a variety of different colors, which is amazing. Now when I look at their shop success, their shop is super successful. They have maintained 5.0 ratings with their customers, and they have sold over 800 of these shirts and have earned over $30,000. And this shirt was only posted a little less than an entire year, 278 days, and they already have $30,000 in sales for this particular shirt. Okay, so now for those who are not big on romance, yes, there is a market out there for them too. Happily single hoodies, or love stinks candles, or swipe left tote bags. There are a lot of people out there who simply want to celebrate their independence, and your shop can make money by helping them to do that. Okay, so now you might be wondering, all right, how in the world do I actually get started selling these products? It's very easy. We've been talking about it a lot here, but let's run through the step-by-step process. In order to get started, the first step is to sign up for Printify. And the great news is it's absolutely free. Then after signing up, you will choose a product, whether it be a t-shirt, mug, or hoodie. Upload your design. You can use free tools like Canva, or you can simply use the Printify options. They have so many different clip arts and fun graphics that you can use on your products. The next step is connecting your store, whether it's Etsy, Shopify, or another platform. And then you set your price and start selling. Printify takes care of all of the printing and shipping for you. So of course, listing your products is just not enough. You actually need to get them in front of people. So here are just a few cool tips in order to do so. Now keep in mind, this is absolutely optional because platforms like Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop, they all have their own built-in audience base. However, if you want to take your shop to the next level, you can use TikTok and Instagram Reels to show off different designs in action. You can also run targeted ads, especially for trending gift items according to the time of the year. Another option is to tap into Etsy SEO. You can use keywords like, funny gifts for him, or meme hoodie for gamers. Those are just a few examples, but use keywords that internet users are putting into their search browsers to find items that they're looking for. And then last but not least, you can offer limited time discounts to create a sense of urgency and drive sales around your store. Okay guys, so there you have it. Those are some of the weirdest, most unexpected ways that you can make money online with print-on-demand service Printify. So whether it's for a couple, maybe singles, or just everyday humor, these niche products can help you to start a fun and very profitable business from home. So if you're ready to get started, check out the link in my description box down below. This will give you access to starting your very own online business today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, maybe gave you a little inspiration to make your own online business, please go ahead and like this video. And before you go, please let us know in the comments section which weird product idea was your favorite. Are you maybe team funny boxer shorts or team meme merch? Let us know down below in the comment section. Thank you guys once again for watching this video. If this video helped you and gave you inspiration, please go ahead, like this video and subscribe, because every few Fridays we will be sharing more money-making tips on how you can start your own profitable business from home, online, setting your own schedule without any type of designs or experience. Thank you once again for watching. We'll chat soon in the next video.